Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming today to you as a hot mess. I still have my cough, as you can hear. I am sweating, so I apologize if you hear a fan in the background, because I'm just dying. I don't know what else to do to get it comfortable up here, but I'm suffocating. Just melting. But anyway, I came home and in my mailbox was finally my Allure box. Came on the 21st instead of the 26th. I should be grateful. But anyway, I wanted to come on here. I just threw my hair up in a little thing, threw on a t-shirt, and said, okay, let's go, let's do this, let's film, because I'm excited. So this one feels kind of heavy today. And since we're not doing Battle of the Boxes anymore, I did my Birchbox separately. I used to do the Battle of the Boxes until the very different shipping dates occurred, and I couldn't do it anymore because I didn't want to wait so long. So anyway, now it's just our little lonely Allure box all by itself. I'm going to be quiet because, you know me, I ramble a lot. And we're going to, yeah, that's the right way, we're going to open this up. For those of you who do not know, Allure is another beauty subscription box that is $15 and you usually get about 5 samples. A couple of times we've gotten a few full-size things, which are amazing, but I enjoy it, except for the fact that it comes late. I really enjoy it. Anyway, okay, so you open it up and it comes like this with a little, it always comes with a little booklet, not just a card. And it tells you about the products and the cute little things, because the people at Allure have tried these products and they give you their thoughts on it. It has been a day today. I dropped my camera twice setting it up. Thank you, Lord, that it did not break, because I can't afford to buy a new one. I have my glasses. I'm ready to go. Pop these babies on and let's get started. And I'm sorry I keep looking in the viewfinder. I'm just trying to make sure that my camera didn't actually break and it's still working good. And I have to cough again. Inside here, it's kind of stuffed. I've got a lot of stuff in here. And I have a big bottle of something, and the first thing I am going to pull out is by Saint Tropez Self-Tan Purity. I love self-tanners. I need some, right? Yeah, I do. But I've been actually putting them on. This is Bronzing Water Mousse for natural glowing skin. Very interesting. Let's just try a little out. This girl needs some self-tan. Yeah, it's mousse. Oh, it's got an amazing suntan smell. Oh, that's awesome. It actually goes on like water. It's a little slippery, so not quite like water, but really nice feeling. And obviously it's not going to tan me now, but I'll let you know if it works. I'm really happy about that. That's fabulous. The next thing in here is from Kenra, a very expensive hair care brand, and is their Dry Oil Control Spray, Tames Frizz. This is perfect for me. Medium hold nourishing spray. So it seems like it could be a hairspray and it could be an oil spray. Let's try it on this mess I got going on. I'm going to look in here. Can't smell anything yet. I'm still stuffy. That Saint Tropez must smell really good and really strong, because my sniffer's not working. I have no idea if it did anything. I like it because these are really good sizes. Yay! Next up, we have from CLE. We have received something from, I don't know whether it's pronounced CLE or CLE or anything like that. Regardless, we received the highlighter in the compact before. I do like it. As I said, I've been having trouble blending it out and having it look good. But this is interesting. This is Melting Lip Powder, long-lasting matte lip and cheek tint. Can you see? I'm holding it up here. It's powder. Oh, we gotta try this on, right? So I have to read up on this. This is very interesting, and we're gonna try it on. So the CLE lip powder in Desert Rose is the color. It is a really pretty color. I'm going to actually just read the prices. We're going to do things a little bit differently here. The price of this is $20, which I think is kind of high. And it says, if you haven't tried lip powders, they're exactly what they sound like. Powders that you spread over your lips. And then they magically turn into smooth lip tints. Okay, this is really interesting. And of course there's Allure 30 on their website, which is cleecosmetics.com. You do get 30% off. And while I take the sweat off of me, how about we try some of this on? I have my handy dandy mirror here. And I don't know how to balance it and do this. Let's see if I can put this on the floor and do it. Why am I just so discombobulated today? I don't know why. So it is absolutely powder in the container. And the doe foot applicator, which is slightly angled, which is nice, looks like a standard one. Let's find out what happens here. Well, I'll be darned. It feels wet going on the lips. It definitely takes more than one swipe to get a full lip application. And yet again, when you pull it out, it's still powder. Well, this is really cool. I don't know, except for the cat hair. It actually has a taste to it. I can't quite describe it. It still feels wet on my lips. I want to see if this dries down. I think the color is gorgeous. Personally, I really like it. I liked the way it applied. It's bizarre, but it's really cool. And it's pretty cool. I'm happy already. How about we move on? The next thing in here is from First Aid Beauty. I enjoy First Aid Beauty. It is Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer. Let's read up on this. First Aid Beauty. Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer. Wow, that's a lot of words. This is the kind of moisturizer that makes your skin look different right after application. It's peachy tint and a hint of shimmer, brighten you up instantly. I like it to tap it on the high points of my face, cheekbones and temples, above the tail of my brows, across the center of my chin, and down the bridge of my nose. I'm assuming it sounds almost like it's a highlighter or a moisturizer or both, or I'm not sure. The price of this is $28, and you can find it on First Aid Beauty, but they also do sell First Aid Beauty at Sephora. This has a very faint scent of almost suntan lotion. That's kind of what it reminds me of. It does feel very hydrating. I don't know if this would be a primer for me personally, but I'm happy that I have it. So far we are at 4 products, and there's still more in the box. The next thing I have here is from L'Oreal. It is the Intense Repair Hair Sheet Mask Steam Treatment. Okay, 5-minute hair spa for damaged hair. This is what it looks like. And what are you supposed to do with this? Let's read and find out. I'm also, since I started reading these and kind of changed it up a little bit, I am going to go back and read the other ones as well. Okay, I don't see this in here. I'm looking. I'm trying to see what the variations could be and what this could be in place of. This has to be something extra because I do not see it in here. So I'm not complaining if we got something extra. I think it's great because there is one thing, actually 2 things left in the box. And what are these? Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. You want to know something really weird? I was just looking at these and I was going to order them, and I believe they're quite expensive, and let's find out. Do they know me? Do they know how I feel about eye masks and that I use them every second of the day? So these are the Baggage Claim Gold Eye... Yeah, that's the right way. Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. They retail for $25 for 6 pairs. You can get 20% off at Wander Beauty. These blinged out patches were made for mask selfies. I should do one of those. Again. I love that you can moisturize and soothe your under eyes and look good while doing it. The gold foil makes me feel extra glamorous. Okay, they're calming. They have aloe and a skin cooling effect to them. I'm going to be curious. You know, I'm very judgy about these. So I'm happy that we got 2 of them. So that right there, to me, you know, 6 pairs, $25. You figure a little bit more than $4 a pair. That alone is worth $8. And I think everything else that we got is way beyond the value of the box. Let's finish reading up on these as well. So the full size of this Kenner Dry Oil Spray, let's see if it is actually a hairspray or not. It says, this hairspray does what it promises, gives medium hold, but the real reason I love it is for all of its hair perfecting perks. It's smooth flyaways and frizz without flattening my texture. I'm so stuffy. Okay, so again, they're saying that it holds your hair in place, but at the same time, it's an oil spray. I don't know. I'm going to try it. We'll find out. $19 is the retail price. You can get it at Ulta. The other thing that we got is the Saint Tropez. Now, let's see what this says. Okay, the variation that we could have gotten, we could have either gotten the Saint Tropez Instant Tan Finishing Gloss, which is this, or this one, and the full size of it is $42 at Ulta. I know this stuff is not cheap. In the bottle, the self-tanner looks like water, liquidy and totally clear, but in your hand it becomes an easy-to-spread mousse. Yeah, I'd say so. You don't need to rinse it off, which is a major plus. You can immediately get dressed and meet friends without staining your clothing. I really like that because I don't like self-tanners that you have to rinse off, because I find it really inconvenient. I kind of want to do it, wait for it to dry, get dressed, and be on my way without having to worry about it. So, overall, I really think this is a fabulous box. I'm very, very happy with the products. I really think, like, coolest stuff in the world. I cannot wait to wear this again. Let's see if it has any, let's see, hold on. It doesn't have that much transfer. It dries down really well, and it feels super comfortable on the lips. I'm wondering if they have any more colors in this, because I will definitely go out and be getting some. It's a cool product. I like everything else that we got. The First Aid Beauty, I like First Aid Beauty. This bonus hair mask, since it doesn't say what to do in the booklet, let me read what you do have to do, and look how tiny the writing is. Even with my glasses on, I can't see. Essentially, you are putting this on after you wash your hair. You wrap your head in it like a hair wrap. You leave it on for approximately 5 minutes, and then you rinse it out. So it says steam mask. I don't know what that means, but regardless, I will have to look up what the value of this is. But overall, I think we definitely got our value in this box. I'm super happy with it. I'm hoping that I'm going to feel better soon, but I want to thank you so much for joining me with another unboxing. I love my unboxings. I'm getting addicted to unboxings. Like to watch them too. Just throwing that out there. But if you get an Allure box, please let me know what you think about it, if you'd enjoy it, which of the variations you got, if you got an extra bonus thing, how you like it, and if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much to all of those of you who have, and maybe if you want to give me a thumbs up and like it, maybe, sort of, if you want, only if you want. And that is it, guys. I'm gonna go drink some tea or coffee or something to try to get rid of this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye.